So let me close this again. I'll show you. So just click on a window button on top of your system and you could see TOSCA Commander. Just type TOSCA Commander. Just open TOSCA Commander. I hope you can able to see my screen. Yeah, that's good. So whenever you open TOSCA Commander, the first window, it will be displayed like this. First you could see this. Okay. So this is your first step. Okay. Whenever you open, immediately you will see this. Okay. After that, you can able to see open with the folder, and also one more is create new, both. And remaining, if you see recent projects, whatever the projects we have had done earlier in your, I'm talking about in project perspective. Okay. It will be display all your projects here. The list will show you here related to all your previous projects. So if you want to open existed project, you can use this. Okay. You can open it. So wherever the folder required, wherever your project is there, just to click on that and simply open it. If it is in your local system. Okay, no, I don't have. I just want to create a new project. If you want to create a new project, just click on create new. Okay. Now you could see when you click on, why it is displaying. Are you able to see this meeting controls also? No, right? Tanmay, Kirtana,
Yes, we can see.
you can see this, right? It will disturb. Okay, that's good. Thank you. Okay, so to create a new project, so I'll add all the steps that will help you in future. Okay, so to create new project. Okay, to create new project, you have to click on create new button. Okay, click on create new button. Okay, after that, whenever you click on this, you can display like this. It will be display like this. Okay, it will open like this. So now here you can see a configure workshop, sorry, workspace. Okay, configure workspace. This is your how whenever you see this, you can see common repository. Repository in the sense you know already. Repository is nothing but the place which you store your project. Example, Git. I hope some of you might have heard about this GitHub. Okay, Git is actually tool, and the GitHub is actually the central repository where your code will be stored. Okay, so such kind of the repository is nothing but the storing place, common repository in the sense common place where your project will store. Clear? So whenever you click on this select repository, you'll find types none, SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL Server, DB2. Okay, the first step which you click on, whenever you click on this, okay, whenever you click on this, you will see all these options. I'm going very much slow because you need to understand clearly. Okay, so first one is none. None in the brackets you could see create a single user workspace. So what is single user workspace? Here one person can able to work. Okay, single user workspace. Let me try to explain you very much clear. This is very important. You need to understand here because you will get questions. Interview questions will get from here. Example, I'll tell you. Okay. Single user workspace. Okay. Single user workspace. Single means one. User in the sense a tester who will work on the particular project. Okay. One tester who is working on project. That is called single user workspace. No others. Suppose this is your TOSCA commander. Okay. In your company, in your organization, only developers are lot of developers will be there. Developers, suppose developers 4 members. It is small scale organization. Okay. Testers only one. You only one. Okay. And some admin in the sense whatever related to network and all. This is one organization. In this organization, this is a small scale organization. In small scale organizations, you have only 4 developers, one tester, and some management. All will be some only, including all, maybe 10 members are there in this company. So they are actually giving service. They are actually working on some TOSCA project for suppose. Okay. Here they don't have multiple applications. They don't have multiple project. Only one project they have. They have only one project. Okay. If they have multiple projects, they'll increase the resources also, right? So only one project is there. Okay. So for one project, they won't take more resources, right? Only one resources. One tester is here right now. So this one tester can use only TOSCA commander. Okay. So this TOSCA commander would only one person can use. Okay. Only one person can use. Single user in the sense whenever you click on single user workspace, only one person allowed to work on this workspace. Understood? So this is single user workspace. And let's talk about multi user workspace. One second. I don't know why it is not. Okay. We'll talk about multi user workspace. Okay. This is okay. Fine. Let me delete this otherwise. Okay. Multi user workspace. Okay. Multi user in the sense, for suppose this is your organization. Okay. And this is your project, TOSCA commander. Okay. TOSCA commander. So in your, this is one of MNC company for suppose, understand. So you have multiple like big project you got. Okay. So this is very big project, like for suppose e-commerce. Okay. E-commerce application you got. Okay. So for this, maybe developers, 5 members or 6 members, or testers, for suppose 4 members I have. Okay. And some extra, some other resources. Okay. So in this case, one project is splitting for 4 members. This big project is dealing by 4 members. So one application is there. Oh, sorry, one TOSCA tool is there. One TOSCA tool is there. This should be shared by 4 members. Okay. One test cases. This one tester one, tester two, tester 3, okay, tester 4, okay. Four members are there. This one person should use this, second one also should use this, third also, fourth also. These three must be depend on only one Tosca tool. Okay, this is licensed for some everything in the single user also, that is also um that is also licensed. Okay, so this tool, if four members want to log in, okay, multi in the sense more than one person, more than one person, okay, user in the sense who is users, example in our case project, yeah, testers. Workspace in the sense the place where you will work, example project for suppose. Okay, here only you are going to create the test cases, right? This is the place where you will work, that is called workspace or project, you can say. So the tester 1 should use this, tester 2 should use this, 3 must be used, 4 if I want to increase, 5 6 also you can. Okay, 5 6 also you can add, continuously add. So every time you need to create a user and you will give the access to this. For tester 1 they got like that, tester 2 also got like that, tester 3 got, which means on top of one tool multiple users are working, that is called as multi workspace. Single user workspace in the sense only one person will work, that is the difference. Okay, right. Okay, let me delete this. I hope you understood. So here I'll show you here. So you need to understand in the Tosca, you could see this. If initially I'm going with the only single user, my project is very small project. Okay. So I'm going with, I'm only one tester here. Okay. That time I will choose only create single user workspace. No need multiple people. So I'll create only one this single user. That's okay. So I'll keep my project name is okay. Um, project name, project 2. Okay, project 2, single user, something like this. I'll keep like this. Okay, something just meaningful. I am just keeping only meaningful name, that's it. Don't focus whatever the project name is, the project names and all you are not going to create, right? They will keep. Okay, next one is, you see, use multi, sorry, use workspace template. Okay, this I'll tell you. For suppose you bought a mobile phone, for suppose you purchased a mobile phone, anything, it might be iPhone, it might be a Android, doesn't matter. So if you buy or if you purchase a phone, in the default you will get some applications, right? Some features, some applications by default you will get, right? So like example Google, Chrome something, or YouTube, and some games, default games also will get, right? And related to that company brand, some related, some kind of applications will be there, apps will be there, right? Same way Tosca also have a modules. Okay, default modules. By default, if you select this, you will get the default modules, standard modules, we can call it as a standard modules. If you don't check this, you will not get it. If you check this, you will get it. Just I'm checking, just keep in mind. Okay, that's it. Next to save, right? What is this for? What we are doing here? We are working on single user workspace. We are creating single user workspace. Okay, right? So next. So just click on it. Automatically it will open. See? Successfully imported. Automatically it will restart and automatically it will open. It will display. Okay. I hope you can see. Can you see here? TOSCA commander project name. You see this, right? Project name. TOSCA commander. Just try to understand. Just try to understand this title. Okay. So this one.
But title is not visible to us.
Is it? Oh, can't see this. You can't see this.
No, instead of that, it is coming. You are viewing next IT carrier screen, which you
Oh,
are
okay.
sharing.
Let
Maybe
me
you
do
can
one thing.
shift it
Thank you.
somewhere.
Yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
can shift it
Understood.
somewhere.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know this. So let me keep here. Can you see this? Now you can see, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
on left hand side. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So now you try to understand. Just I'm highlighting this, okay? You see this? This is title. This is title. Okay. TOSCA commander. Okay. TOSCA commander. Whatever we have mentioned the name of the, okay, name of the project. You see, this is name of the project. Okay. This is just TOSCA command, whatever it is. This is just TOSCA command. By default, it will be there for every title. This is the name of your project. And this is the path where this workspace will store. Can you see this, guys? Okay. Till here, you see C drive, TOSCA projects, TOSCA workspaces, project 2, single user 7 p.m. This is a name. And again, one more name got created with the extension TWS. TW in the S in the sense this is extension. You know that a .py in the sense Python, .java, like JS, JavaScript, like .json, some same kind of. Tosca also have particular format. Okay, the format is called TWS extension. I am saying. Okay, what is TWS? Tosca Workspace .tws. Okay, Tosca Workspace. Okay, so let me try to show you where exactly it is storing. Okay, let us go here the same path. Tosca commander. Okay, I'll make it a little big. Go to the C drive. Okay, what is this? See, project in the Tosca commander project to single user something will be there. Tosca projects, Tosca commander. Okay, one second. Tosca workspace. Can you see this, guys? Project to single user 7 p.m. The project folder, whatever I'm showing right now, the folder got created with this. Next, you see here, Tosca projects, Tosca workspaces. This got created completely. And you see, this is your commander. Okay, this is your commander, workspace commander. Next, this one is exactly the one which you see the extension project to single user 7 p.m. TWS, which means why I'm showing in the sense if something happens to your project or you just need to know that if you want to see logs, if something happens, if you want to see logs, this is the place where you need to check. That is the purpose. I am just taking this much to show you. Okay. If you copy this, or no need, it won't copy. Just go to this particular path. You'll find the logs. Can you see whatever we had done earlier? Okay. So that will be stored. Can you see this? Whatever you have done, save, started, something, all logs will be stored here. Okay. So this is your, and also repository. This is repository. Okay. See, I just created single user, right? Single user. That is also got saved here. Okay. Related stuff it will store here. This is a kind of repository. Repository in the sense the place where your project will store and the place where your logs will store. I hope you understood. Okay. After that, you can see remaining all I've already explained in the previous. This we can call it as a menu bar. Clear? And the above one you see save, back, forward, undo. For okay, undo. This is undo. Okay, this is redo. Back, navigate back, navigate forward. Okay, these are all. This is also you can use whenever you want. And this is menu bar. This is menu bar. Projects. Okay, these are all projects. Also, I'll let you know this later. And then you see home page. In the home, this is a ribbon. Okay, this we can call it. Whenever you click on the menu home, in the menu, if you click on this home, you see all this project, scratchbook, all the option will display here. We will discuss this one by one thoroughly later. Just try to understand what are the, just try to observe what are the sections and menu in the menu, what are the sections you could see. Okay, next view, general show details. Okay, next execution list, test case, requirements, all those. Okay, all columns. These we will use later. Okay, next all. So next tools. In the tools buffers, we will discuss about this buffers and schema, test cases. So every related to every in the menu, whatever the sections are there, all these options related to that, it will be display on top of the ribbon. This is called as ribbon. Okay. Next one, these are all sections. As we have already discussed in previous class, this we can call it as a section. Here you see the test cases. By default, you got test cases, and also you could see the standard modules. Okay. We have discussed about templates, right? Can you see? Use workspace template. Okay. If you check this, you will get standard modules. If you don't check this, you won't get this. Okay. Okay. You might get a doubt. Lokesh, here you did not check the why we got. Actually, after checking, I did not capture the picture. Okay. So if you want, I will show you without checking also. Just imagine this is the with user use workspace template. I have checked this. You got the modules. Let me close this. Okay. Just close this and I'll open it again. TOSCA commander. It will close. 1 minute. Yeah. TOSCA commander. Open this. This document I'll share you guys. Okay. Don't worry. And once after opening again, we'll try to create one more time. See here again, I'm just creating single user workspace. Just forget about all these options. Just focus on none. Single user workspace. One person, one tester can only work on top of this workspace. Next year, I'm going to keep a project to, okay, project to single user, a single user 7, and I'll keep here without standard models. Okay. Without like this. Okay. Just to, I'm not selecting this. Okay. I'm not selecting this. I'm not selecting this checkbox. Use workspace template is just I'm keeping it as usual. Next. Okay. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Okay. Let me go to the module directly. You see this? This is just empty. Nothing is there. Nothing is there in the test case. Nothing is there in the module. Okay. Everything is empty. By default, You must check. If you ask me the question, so is it recommended to check this box? Yes, because you will get some standard modules, right? Standard modules we will use. Okay, so that will be helpful. Next, um, let me take a screenshot here. Without checkout workspace template. Okay, it would be the image will appear like this, and okay. So I'll close this and I'll again open TOSCA Commander. Initially, it will be bit confusion. So that's why I'm also will letting you know that about this with the template, without template. While you are trying to create a project, you'll get questions, lot of questions, whether I need to select it or not, all those stuff. If you must need to be very much clear. So if you select it, what will get? If not select it, what will not get? So if you are clear with this, if you get silly questions in the interview, you can able to tackle. Okay, let me open the previous one. For screenshot, I'm opening. That will help you in future for you. I hope my voice is still audible properly. Okay. Yeah. Can you see this, guys? Let me extend this. So just observe every movement of mine. Okay. Every cursor. Can you see this? This is for expand all. Instead of going and clicking each and individual like this, just if you right click on it and just simply click on this, automatically it will open all, everything will be expand. So I'll take a screenshot here. This is a view for this. Okay. Checking the box, workspace template box. Checkbox, I can say. That's okay. Right? So this is how. So you can ask me what is the use of? See again, I'll show you here. Right click and you see this? Collapse all. Okay. Collapse all. That's it. So why these modules are important in the sense we will use automation tools and engines data services. Suppose in the engines, if you want to open any URL for suppose, okay, this is a URL. You want to open this URL. For this, you need a module. That module you will get in this. You can see HTML open URL. You can see this, right? Open URL. Use this existed modules. These are all important. That's why I'm saying. Okay. You can drag this module and you can keep in the test case, right? So that is the purpose of this. Okay, check the workspace template. That's it. Next one, let me close this. Okay, let me open again Tosca Commander. See, I'm going to create a new one. Okay, see here, there is SQLite. So same in the select repository itself, you could see SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL, DB2. These are all databases. Okay, which database your project want to store? Oracle, it's a database. MS Microsoft SQL Server, this is also database. DB2 also is a database. Understood? SQLite has given for our reference purpose the replica of other databases. If you choose SQLite, the replica will be created in our local system. You will be experienced as Oracle, you will be experienced as my MS SQL and DB2. Okay. In our real-time projects, they won't use SQLite and single user workspace. This is very rare. If it is very a small company, small scale organizations can use such kind. There are, but most probably in MNCs, they will use specifically Oracle MS SQL servers. Okay. So then, if you want to get experience on top of this, first of all, you must have an experience, right? On top of these servers. For that, we have a same kind of replica, dummy, like example, Prabhas is there. Prabhas will always fight, right? Will not always fight, right? Prabhas, maybe Allu Arjun also, Prabhas also. They have some dupes. Okay. Like that, Oracle and MS SQL Server DB2, this SQL is dupe, which means it is like a shadow, like you can say a replica. I used very best word replica. Replica in the sense the similar kind of databases you can experience we using SQLite. Okay. By using SQLite, you can able to experience Oracle, MS SQL and DB2. In projects, some projects will be attached with the Oracle, some project MS SQL servers, Microsoft related SQL, this one. Okay. So here I could not able to use this Oracle because I don't have any credentials. I don't have any database, real database. MS SQL server also I don't have any real database. TB2 also. So that is the reason I can suppose I'll choose this, no problem. But where is the schema? Where is the connection string? I don't have, right? You should have user ID password. Where is user ID? Where is my password? No. If I test this connection, it will fail. I don't have, credentials, right? So database is not connecting with your repository. How could it fetch the values? No, right? So that's simple. You'll get error, no doubt at all. So that's why I'm going to choose SQLite. Okay. This SQLite will give you same experience which you had already worked on. If you or else in future you are going to work on top of this. So if you choose this SQLite, whatever you gonna work, whatever the workspace you're gonna see that same kind of experience you're gonna use this MS SQL. Clear? And simple. Use existing repository that is automatically selected. Okay. So next, if you want, one second, SQLite. So I don't have any existing repository right now. So what I'm doing is I'll uncheck this. Okay. So here you just need to give name of your repository. What is that? Project to multi workspace. Okay. Something like I'll keep like this. Okay. See, automatically in the workspace, another one is created. So I need to choose this, right? Choose use workspace template. Yes, definitely. Right? So next, you have to give the admin related credentials. Admin here by default you will get admin. If you want to choose your particular name, you can keep also because as I mentioned earlier, that picture where it has gone. Where it will store this? Let me check in the chat. No, no, I think so. Okay, let me check. Documents, Zoom. It might be, I think so. Yes. See, multi-user, you can see multiple testers will work on top of one commander, right? Exactly. The similar kind of here we are also working on. So if I want to create tester 1, you can create it. Again, user 1 in the sense tester 1. Next to tester 2, you can create. Tester 3, you can create. Tester 4. Like that, 4 users I can able to create here by using admin credentials. I don't have multiple users, so that's the reason I'll just create only admin. I'll give some credentials. Okay, I'll keep password. Password you must have 12 characteristics. It should be contain letters and all. It will not take 6 digits, 6 numbers, or 6 letters like that. It should be 12 numbers. Okay. Okay. Just click on OK. Let me take a screenshot and I'll paste here. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'll paste here. Also, I would like to take here multi-user. Okay. 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 This is how. Right. Next, I'll click on OK. Simple. Yes. Done. Not captured, I guess. It's gone within seconds. All right. No problem. So you see this, right? Immediately it will show like this. Login credentials. Whatever you created, the login, you need to enter the login credentials. Whatever password you keep, just remember that password. If you don't remember, that's it. It will go. Okay. Login. So this is multi-user workspace view. So this is what is the difference? You will get questions. Okay, similar. It look like similar, but what is the difference? What is the difference between that only? So I got modules, that's okay. I got test cases, that's okay. But what is the difference? But I didn't find anything different as comparatively others, right? So this is your next question. Okay, I will address that. See, in the previous, if you go to the home page, you could not see this, right? Check in all, check out tree, update all. Okay, let me close this. Before you close, just click on check in all. Okay, let me close this and I'll open TOSCA Commander, which single user. Okay, TOSCA Commander. Okay, single user. I'll click on single user. Let's see. See here in the home. See here in the home. In the home, check in all, check out tree, and update all. Hide it. Okay. What is the difference between single user and multi user? Sorry. Okay. Single user workspace. Okay. This is single user workspace. In the single user workspace, workspace, check in all, check out all. One second, not all. This is only checkout. Okay. Next, checkout tree. Next, update all. Okay. Will be hided. Okay. So these are all hided. But what about multi-user? Simple, not hided. That's it. I will tell you what is the difference between. Okay. In the multi-user, I don't want to use this again. In the multi-user workspace, in single user workspace, it will ask the credentials. Okay. Admin credentials. It won't. It will not ask in single user. Directly it will open. And you see here in the home, you will see check in all. Okay. I'll keep here like this. Okay. This check in all, check out all, check out tree, update all. Okay. All will be enabled. Okay. That is the difference. So now again, now you need to understand what is check in all, what is checkout, what is checkout tree, what is update all. Simple, right? So what is the below in multi-user? Simple, right? So let us try to understand this check in all. Check in all in the sense, okay, let me try to make you to understand first this checkout. Okay, checkout, checkout all. Checkout. This is not checkout all. This is just checkout. Okay, so if you see here in the test case, keep concentration. Suppose I have created. See here. Can I able to create right now? Can I able to create any folder here? Yesterday, previous class, you have seen I could directly create it on top of folders and test cases. Can I able to do it now? No. If I want to create a folder, there is no option at all. Understood? Any doubts you can ask me now. I'll give you. I'll just pass and I'll allow you. Understood? Currently, are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Currently, I could not able to create here the folder. Why? I'm asking. At least you understood, right? At least you could not able to see folder, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Why?
because in
Because
case of multi, we have not clicked on checkout.
yeah, that's what. Good catch. So here in the multi-user, before you create anything, first of all, you need to check out. Okay. Let me try to check out. Let's see. Can you see? What is your observation? Check out.
There is one red line left to test case folder.
I think it's green color, right? This one.
Yeah, green one.
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
screen is very.
Yeah, yeah. So this is actually green color, which means the Tosca is allowed you to use this only one folder, not others. Suppose I'll click on this. Okay, or else I'll use this. Can you see here? I will extend all those stuff. Let me till here enough. Okay, I just click on this, right? Modules, similar modules and test cases both are similar. No problem. Whatever we are currently checking. Checkout you have seen right here. Only whenever I click on this particular folder, automatically it just checked only one folder. But in the modules, if I try to click on checkout tree, let's see, entire tree will be enabled to work on. You can able to work entire tree. So now you are eligible or you are allowed to utilize these modules. Now can I right click on this? Can you see this? Now it is enabled to create folder all. For example, if I see here, I can able to create a folder, but the below one, no. The below one you could not, because checkout means only one test case. It will allow only one test case. Checkout means whenever you check out the object or test case or module, test case or test folder, it will be unlock. Okay, one test case or folder will be enabled. Okay, or unlock, you can say. Okay, understood? Only one, right? Here in our case. Next, let's see checkout tree. What is checkout tree? In the checkout tree, all the relevant, it's okay. Don't worry about all this. Relevant spelling, I'll see, I'll edit later. Um, relevant folders, test cases, relevant or subfolders. Okay, test cases or modules will be enabled at a time. Okay, all items you currently have checked, whatever checked out tree, if you use it automatically, once you uh, checked out, if you click on checked out tree, it will be unlock. Okay, all will be unlock. Okay, and you can use it. After that you can able to use it. That's it, right? Next, what about check in all? Okay, check in all. Check in all means um if you are going outside somewhere, if you are going outside, you will lock your home, right? Okay, before you going outside you will check whether bijli kola hai ki nahi. Okay, is that light is there or fans are turned on or TV, etc., refrigerator, everything you will check it, right? Properly whether you is that turn it off or not, everything you will check it, right? So before you turn on, before you close the doors, you will, however you are locking, here in this Tosca also, before you exit this Tosca commander, so you are going to save all the modules. Okay, all the modules, test cases, everything. You need to save it. After that, so you need to click on check in all. If you don't click on check in all, whatever the operations you had, okay, whatever the task you have done, that will be all vanished. It will not save, no doubt at all. So that is very one of the most and important one in the multi-user. You see, check in all every time whenever you want to exit, after creating a test cases, after creating a modules, after scanning it, after performing an action, okay, whatever the task you performed, that should be saved. And also, before going to leave this workspace, you should click on check in all. Okay, you should click on check in all. If you don't do, whatever the task you have done, that will be gone. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, so that is the purpose of check in all items. You currently whatever you have checked out, or yeah, the items or test cases or folders, modules, whatever the work we have done. Okay, okay, you might have checked out, right? Items, test cases, all whatever you have done, all or those have checked checked out, right? So once you check in all after save, once you check in all, your all changes will be updated, okay, in the common repository. Okay, so this is a kind of lock. The lock also will be released, kind of like this. The lock also will be released, you can say like this in general. Okay, so which means others can able to edit the same test case once after you log out. Once after check in all, other users can able to update all and use those items, you can say. Okay, understood. After check in all, what happens? You will check in all, so you just given a clearance, everything saved, that's fine. Next, other user able to can, so you have done all this. Suppose you have done all these test cases, for suppose today's work is this. Okay, you have saved everything and you checked in all, that's it, you exited. After that, the tester 2 will come. Tester 2 will come and they will update. What is the purpose of this update? Other tester should come and update whatever changes he has done. The tester 1 done. Okay, that will be replicate on top of your TOSCA commander. Unless you do it, update all, it won't show. It will be there. It will be there in his system, his user. But once you update only, it will be appear. Okay, what is update? Update all. What is the, where is that? Update all. I hope you understood. Update all. What is update all? It will pull the changes from the common repo, right? In your local workspace. Clear? So then, every time, every time, you have to update, you have to click on update all. Okay, to pull the changes from the other workspace. Okay, right? So that is the purpose of check in all, check out, check out tree, update all. Hope you understood. Okay, this is all about multi-user and single user. Clear? That's it, guys. That's it for today. I hope you understood this session. Any doubts, you can ask me. We can wrap up this.
Could you please repeat checkout tree?
Checkout tree, that is dead easy. Checkout tree in the sense, for suppose, what I will do is simple. Now what I am doing, just try to observe. I'm just clicking on check in all. I want to remove all. See, check in all. It's gone, right? Suppose, I just want to only check out this, only this module. Suppose I'll click on check in, check out. Okay, only one module. If you want to unlock this only one module, just simply click on checkout. I want entire this all. This is engines, right? This is a main folder of engines. These are all subfolders. I hope you understood. Okay, these are,
Yes.
you can see this is one folder. These are all nested folders in our language. Okay, if I click on checkout tree, all will be enabled. See, now you can able to use all. If you want to enable all, you can use checkout tree. If you want only one, you can use checkout. Okay, if you want to remove all, you just need to come out from check in all. Simple. Okay, now just imagine,
So
um
that does mean,
yes, go
okay,
ahead.
so that does mean the moment we click on checkout or
Hmm.
checkout tree,
Hmm.
consider for one folder or for complete tree. So
Tree in the sense, whole.
our session is logged and no other tester will be able to use it, right?
Yeah, in that case, I'll also show that. Okay, tomorrow I think I have to jump into other call. So actually, if other tester, suppose you can see this checkout tree. If you click on this checkout tree, you will see the green color, right? The color is green. Okay, I didn't cover this. Thank you, thank you. So this green color you could see, but the same folder. If other test want to utilize right now, he will see red color, which means he could not able to enter. So he will get to know that other tester 2 will get to know that, oh, okay, some other guy, some other tester is working on top of this. So I don't want to touch it. Okay. Checkout tree in the sense it will hold all the subfolders also. If you use only checkout, just only for, it is limited for only one folder. You can see this. Check in all, in all means if you want to exit from all, just simply click on check in all. So automatically you will come out from here. Now the second tester, whoever it is there, the second tester can able to utilize this all. Now he is able to utilize these engines. He'll be able to use folders operations also. I hope you understood.
Yes, got it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is important, guys. Please try to make habituate this. Please just use check in all, check out tree without use. Don't use single user. Single user workspace, please, because single user workspace you can use other okay, other modules, other tools, and whatever. So, but if you habituate this, this will be helpful in your project. If you don't know, if you are searching somewhere, where is what is the how to do and all. If you if you don't know all this check in and check out all always, so they will identify. Okay, this guy has only theoretical knowledge, no practical and experience, not experienced kind of. Okay,
The
Okay.
checkout purpose is like for the save folder, unsave folder, like that one.
come again. Pardon.
Checkout functionality means check in, check out, check all. Functionalities means save, not save functionality, like that. Na?
Save, not save, not like that. Suppose. there are some folders already, some existed folders are there. If you want to use this, if you want to use this somewhere, for example, I want to drag this and drop in somewhere in test case, for suppose. It's not getting, you see, you could not able to use this. For suppose I want to create here one folder inside this folder. No folder option is not showing because you are not yet checked out. Okay. If you checked out only, for suppose in this folder, I want to create a, suppose I'll create here one checkout. Okay. So now let me do one thing. First of all, if you want to check out, if you want to use all folders at a time, no, I don't want to allow anybody. I have complete access. I don't want to allow others to work on today on top of this all folders. Okay. So let me do one thing. I will do checkout. You see this checkout in the sense all will be green color at a time. You see green in the sense you are holding. These are all my folders today. Others testers should not come and should not use this. Okay. Then others will see that whenever it opens these modules, they will see red color this. Okay. They will see red color this. Now you can see green color. Whoever see green color, that means they can able to use that. Okay. Now you can see I can able to create a folder. Okay. So now
Yes.
I can, yeah, that is for if you want to hold all at a time, you will use tree. If you want to use individual one, if you want individually, if you want to hold one particular folder, you will use checkout. That's it. See, I want only this. Currently, it is just open to everybody. I want to hold only this. No others should come and no others should not use this. I'll only work on, currently I'm working on expression valuation for suppose. Just I'll click only checkout. Remaining are all open to others. Others can able to come and use this. But this could not. Others cannot come and others cannot use this. Until I leave this, until I check in all, remaining others, any other testers like tester 1, tester 2, tester 3, tester 4 cannot come and use this. Okay. This is for individually if you want to hold the folders, that is you need to use checkout. If you want to hold entire folders, use checkout tree. If you want to leave it to the others, just use check in all. Okay. Once after finishing your job, okay, other for suppose tester 2 has done some changes. He have worked on some test cases for suppose. You want to utilize that. You want to use and you want to use the same test case, whatever changes he had. Okay. If you want to use that, what you have to do, first of all, whatever he will do, he saved actually, he checked in, but that should be replicated into your workspace. So in that case, what you have to do, you have to update all. If you click on update all automatically, so it will pull all the changes, whatever your other test had done, it will replicate into your current folders. Understood? So that is the difference between
Yes.
check in all, checkout tree and checkout. That's it. Nothing else. This is the purpose.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good.
That's it, guys. I think let us wrap up. So tomorrow, whatever
Okay,
doubts you
one
have,
more
we'll
thing.
discuss. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Go ahead,
one more
please.
thing. Now you have started, I think this is our fourth class, right?
Hmm.
So we need a TOSCA tool to be installed on our machine so that we can also do some practice.
Yeah, definitely. I think I will inform to our admin team, so they will contact you. I think I could Amit, right? You are talking.
Yes.
Yeah, Amit. They will call you and they'll help you. Okay. Yamini, Kirtana, Tanmay, and Vamshi. Did you install tool?
No, no. At two.
No.
No. Okay. Please contact admin.
Not yet. Um,
Yeah. Please try to contact admin Jyoti. She'll definitely help you. Okay. They will install your Tosca tool on top of your system. Okay, please contact or else I'll inform. Okay, they will call you. Please receive the admin call.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Is it
Tha-
not
Sure.
possible by RN?
your
Video can
end,
install, right? Yeah.
you do can install, but you can't work because that is licensed version. It is not free, right? Uh,
Okay.
so
Got it.
license will be given by only institute, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So you can download. That is not big deal. You can download from the Google. Okay. But thing is, if that want to work, definitely you should have a license. You need to buy the license.
Yeah, got it.
Yes, Kirtana. All right. Thank you, Kirtana. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Amini, Tanmay, Vamshi. We'll see. We'll meet tomorrow's class. Okay. Please get ready with your TOSCA commander. So you and me both will be in a same page. Then it will go very smooth. I hope you understood.
Yes, got
Okay,
it.
sure.
Thanks for
Okay.
the clear explanation.
Yeah. Thank you, Kirtana. Thank you all. We'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.